Today I'm going to start a video about how you can create Xamarin Form applications. So I have created a Xamarin Form application with some models. So I have created a data class here, data folder where I have nodes class. So for now I am creating a application to save the data, so save the nodes in database basically. So in this application, I am using basically SQLite database. So let me share the structure with you so that you can understand what is going on in particular application. So I have created new application, and under dependencies you can see the packages. So I am using .NET Standard Library here, and you can see the package. So I am using SQLite NetPCL library for storing the data in SQLite database. And here you can see that these are the essential library and form library you will see when you start any project in Xamarin. I've created a folder for data, basically that is the class for the methods to connect with database, create database basically to get nodes from database, to get nodes by ID, save nodes to database, and delete nodes to database basically. And here are the models. So I have created a model that is node model. In node model, I have three things. One is ID. So whenever you work with basically SQLite, so you should have one property with primary key and auto increment. Second is text, and third is date. At what date I am saving that data basically. And now I have created three methods basically, three pages: note entry page. So one is note entry page. I'm using basically binding properties here. So you will see binding here. Notes page is basically the listing page of notes. And in app.xml you will see that I have created the navigation pages basically here. I have created some colors, application resources to apply. So you can say this is the global resource file. This is global styling in XAML. So I have created a global style XAML. In app.xml, in app.xml class, you will see that I have created folder path, a node database static instance, and here I am using nodes db3. So db3 means that this is the extension for SQLite database, and nodes is the name of the database. And this is the path, folder path, special folder path in Xamarin application. So in Android you can store the data here basically. Whenever my application initialize, so I go to that folder path and I initialize my nodes page. So nodes page is basically node listing page. You will see that. So this is the structure, and like in nodes page you will see. So in nodes page I am using basically initializing the components, and whenever my application appearing, so in Xamarin there are some methods, async methods. So whenever any application appearing, you can write your methods. So I am getting the list from database and giving the list view item source here. So whenever my application run, so I can see the list. So let me debug this application and you will see each and everything here. So my application is running here right now. Let me share the so here is the list. I've added already some records. You can add your records from plus button, like this is test note 3. If you want to save this, so this will debug the application whenever save button clicked or note entry paid. So that will create the binding context here, and you can see the today's date. And here I'm calling the method of save note method of database app database. So this will initialize the database, and also this will save. And after saving, you can see that the data is saved and the third is list. Now, if you want to edit anything, like if you want to edit this record, so I will get this record as a node, selected item, and bind this to binding context and send this, navigate this to the new note entry page. You can see here, like this. So test note 1. So let me save this. So my data is updated now. So you can see this is the very easy application, and you can learn Xamarin here. And I'm working on a enterprise level application right now with ASP.NET Core Web APIs. So I will show the code in the next video for that. And if you have any problem to understand the Xamarin, so I can help you anytime. Thanks for today.